morning, YouTube. Another day, another vlog. Let's get it. Right now I'm headed to we're starting off again in the car, headed to the bank to get rid of this stack. You know, so how often do you guys go to the bank as barbers? I want to know. I go usually like every other day to like twice a week, something like that. But yeah, let me know in the comment section how often you guys go to make bank deposits for your cash. Just curious. Start a little conversation in the comment section. Anyways, I'm gonna go get rid of this knot, and I'll see you guys at the shop. Let's go. I came into work this morning, and the first thing Freddie does, well, he said good morning, but after that, it's full flexed on me. Look at this shit. Look at this fool, bro. With the cordless masters, though. Yo, why are these dumb light, though?
Told you. Because it's not magnet no more.
Do they hit the same?
I think they hit a little bit crispier.
Oh, word?
I just cut Jason this morning. It was the crunch is real.
The crunch is back, huh?
The crunch is real.
No Taco Bell, but the crunch is wrapped.
That's right.
Just polish these up.
Yeah.
Fingerprint magnet, but these are crispy though. Okay. I see you, Freddie. You like them?
Hell yeah.
Good crunch. Crunch is real. Alright. I'm gonna see if he'll let me try them out today. We'll see. Cause I know he wants to try these. So maybe we could swap for a cut or something. We'll see. Maybe. I'm trying to talk him out of him. He's in love right now, so I doubt. I might just give him today. I might try him out tomorrow, aka Tuesday.
Guy, still calling you out.
Taylor's back. I'm gonna redeem myself on his haircut.
You need to help me out.
Yep, let's do it again. Same guy from the first Teezy video. Let's do him again. There we go. Redemption.
Twice and then hit him 3 times. Or you're gonna have a hard time explaining why you hit him 3 times. Why when you hit him you still kept shooting. It's like, what? Still have his hands on him.
Okay, the time has come. We're gonna do some tapers on my man's. I'm using the Cordless Masters. Let's get it.
Teaching and going to a different school or a different school district, there's no way that will help you do I'll take it, you know, like,
I want to show how well they knock out the bald line. Skip that a little bit. All right, here's the after. Boom. Little taper in the back. Little taper on the side. Lined up. Beard looking flawless. All right, so final quick thoughts on the cordless Masters. You guys know I'm not a Masters fan. However, I will probably be picking up a pair of these in the near future. Big shout outs to Freddie for letting me borrow them for the cut. I like these a lot. You should get these. Cutting the hair off. I'm excited. About to be doing 2 with some ball tapers on the boiler room. After work.
We line up your sides, right?
Boom. Tapered. 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 And lined. Got the boy Rafa in there. Sheesh. Ends there. Ends there. Okay, so my day is over. Short day. I'm going home. So, super short vlog, but hope you guys liked it. The Andis Masters definitely worth the money. I think Freddie got them for like 300 bucks. So, let me know what you guys think on them. I don't know. I liked them. I'm gonna get a pair eventually. So, see you guys in the next one. Short vlog, but we're back to dailies. So that happens. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.